Hello? Let me do something. Okay, so kind of red. The reason I haven't been uploading or doing the face reveal as I promised a month ago or something like that is because I got a new phone. I'll show that to you in a second. Oh wait, no, I'm already doing that. I like it. Not the newest version though. But I think it's a waste of money to get the newest version. Maybe the 10th or 11th is just as good, less cameras. And this was recorded on an Android or a Samsung. I don't know the difference. Anyways, bye.